Currently, I'm an adult, and adults get married to each other, which means that adults have to go to other adults' weddings to see them get married to each other. And today is one of those days. So yeah, I'm going to a wedding today, which is actually the first wedding of probably many to come in my adult life. Because even though it's 2022, people still get married. I need to get ready for it because I look and I feel like shit. And it's actually like a fancy wedding with like fancy people. So I have to look fancy today. I don't really want to do that though, but they have a dress code and dress codes are sacred to me. So let's just get ready for the fancy wedding that I'm going to because I'm an adult. Okay, step one to my beautiful transformation of today is my hair. Yesterday I took all my extensions out and I already don't like my hair. I literally hate my hair so much. Oh my god. The thing I like least about my hair is the fact that this like front part is shorter than the back. You know, you can see a very big difference. So what I'm going to do to try and fix that problem is I'm going to put some extensions in my hair again. These are the exact same extensions that I wore before, you know, but I just washed them a few times to make sure that they will be like the same color as my hair. And I just applied some new tapes on there. So now I can put these in the front of my hair and hopefully, you know, I can make my hair look even. Like that's all I want. I should know by now how to apply these tape-ins, so this shouldn't take that long. Oh. So like I said, this should be fairly easy because I've done it before. However, the last time that I did it, the front part definitely didn't look that real. But yeah, whatever. I'm just going to try it because I want to like my hair, you know? I want to be happy with my hair. Yeah, boy! Taking it and flipping it over. Okay, this one is really bad. But I'm not planning on like keeping this in my hair for a month, so it should be fine, right? Guess so. Okay. I got the extensions in my hair, as you can see. Obviously I still need to cut them, but also the problem is that like they're very obvious. But I think that I actually have something for that. I can't find my root spray, so I think I'm just gonna leave it like this for now and then buy one today and then spray it on there because it is very obvious. Like if the wind blows, you can definitely see that I'm wearing extensions. But yeah, okay, so now I'm just going to straighten them quickly to get them the same texture as my own hair. Oh my god. Did you see that? The color just left my hair. Wait, let me show you. Wait, it doesn't work on this side. So fucking insane. Like if you put heat on your hair, the color just disappears. It's freaking insane. I'm just gonna cut like a big old chunk off of it. Okay, nice. this can actually work really well, I think. Boy! Look! Oh my god, it actually worked. I mean, I feel like it probably still looks kind of weird from like the back. I don't know. Does it look weird? I don't know. But overall, why didn't I do this like a lot sooner? Because this hair I actually do like. I mean, to be honest, I definitely love the 22-inch hair more than this. But at the same time, I love this way more than I love my own hair. Damn, and it looks super natural too. Right? So now I'm gonna see if I can find someone who can do these nails. They're so bad. So yeah, I'm gonna go into the city because I also need to have like a strapless bra, and I find a nail studio over there who can help me. But first I'm gonna eat some lunch because I'm hungry, boy. If any of you are like vegan or vegetarian and really miss canned tuna, boy, do I have something for you. This is not sponsored, by the way, but recently I found out that this exists. It's from Garden Gourmet and it's called Vuna, like vegan tuna. And oh my fucking god, this shit is so good, and it really tastes like the real deal. Oh my god, this is it's so good. How do they manage to make stuff like this? Vegan mayo with vegan tuna is the way to go. This is so good. So good. Mission failed. So I went to like 5 different nail salons today and they were all fully booked. So yeah, I should have probably like made an appointment in advance, but I didn't really know that I was gonna do this today. So instead of getting my nails done by a professional, I have some fake nails. Yeah. So I'm just going to stick these on my fingers. I also got a sticky bra for under my dress. However, this is not my size. I actually need a bigger one, but this was the only one that they had. So hopefully it's gonna work out, and otherwise, I don't know, free the nipple, I guess. So I think what I'm gonna do now is sleep. No, I think I'm gonna do some makeup. So I had 2 options of makeup. So I saw this, which is so fucking pretty, but I also saw this. This one is probably better for the wedding, but at the same time, I like this one like better in general. But I'm pretty sure that it's very off-brand for the wedding since it's going to be like very fancy, and this is maybe a little bit too intense. But at the same time, they know who I am, so I don't think they're gonna be that surprised to see me arrive with the rhinestones glued to my eyeballs. I was looking for some black rhinestones, but I couldn't find any. So I guess I'm gonna go for the second makeup look anyways. I'm gonna do eyes first in case I mess this up, so that I can like easily take it off. But normally I would do like face first and then eyes last. This feels very messy and weird. Let me just continue doing this because, like, if it works, it's gonna look beautiful with my dress. And if it doesn't work, I can just take it all off and put eyeliner on, you know? It's not that big of a deal. I mean, it's not my wedding, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Hey, my makeup is done and it looks beautiful. Can you see it? Ooh, it actually looks so nice. I still am going to wear some lipstick, but I always like to put it on my lips after I've done everything else. And now I'm going to do my nails. And I actually need to be like really fast because it's already 4:30 and we need to leave within the hour. And there's still like a lot of things I need to do, and I do not know why this all took me so long, because I literally started this morning at like 10 o'clock. Anyways, I'm going to take some of these Elegant Touch fake nails, going to glue them onto my fingers, and then maybe put a different nail polish on top of it, because I'm not like the biggest fan of this color, but I'm not sure if I have enough time for that. Okay, you're not gonna believe this, but we were actually late for the wedding, so I didn't have the time to shoot some end shots. So here are some moments from the wedding. As you can see, it was in a very intense big building, and there were some like weird guys in costumes who like played trumpets and read very big books. Still do not know what these people were doing there, but they were fun. So yeah, this is the end result. I was feeling very pretty in my long snake print dress. Absolutely loved it. Also, the sticky bra turned out to be the right size because apparently my titties aren't as big as I thought they were. And of course, we were also enjoying the open bar. Because that's basically what weddings are for. Desley was not following the dress code rules because, as you can see, there is no tie in sight. But at least we looked very cute together. And we closed the night with doing a beautiful white people dance. And as you can see, the open bar really had an effect on my dancing skills. So yeah, this was today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye, kiss kiss, ciao ciao.